Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Doogee T10. So when I have a problem with my headphones, I'm only starting from the simplest way: just restart Bluetooth connection, switch it off and switch it on again. You can also try to restart your tablet by holding the power button and choose restart. A little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it works. So, at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the pair mode, and how to activate it you will find in the manual to your device, or maybe on your YouTube channel. Sometimes you have to push any button for a few seconds, push the button 3 times for example. Sometimes the pair mode is starting automatically, you have to check it by yourself. So if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices but not for your Doogee, then go to the settings and choose system. Choose reset options and tap on the reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Tap on the reset settings, configure pattern, and configure it by this button. Just tap on it and look for your device again. In the next step, try to update your system. Just go to the system update in the system settings and check for the updates. If you have any update, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me: check your tablet and your Bluetooth accessory on the device with Bluetooth to check which gadget making a problem here, which one is visible, which not. That's it, thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.